In this video, we will see how to calculate arithmetic mean in discrete series. So there are three methods, in which the first method is direct method. First we will see what is the formula for direct method. So see it carefully. The formula is x bar is equal to summation f x upon n. Or the formula can be like this: summation f x upon summation f. Here n is equal to summation f. Both are the same thing, and this means sum of frequencies. Or in other words, total number of items. Next is f and x, means small f is nothing but frequency, x is the value of variable, so fx means multiplication of frequency with corresponding value of x. Variable. So this is the detail of the formula. Now we will see one numerical question of this direct method, that is how to calculate arithmetic mean by using direct method. So the question is, we have been given some values of x and corresponding to it some values of x. So now first of all, what will we do? We will multiply this f, means frequency, with x. So it means 15 multiplied by 50 is equal to 750. Then 55 multiplied by 20 is equal to 1100. In the similar way, or you can multiply 20 with 55, both will give the same answer, 1100. So now the next is 60 multiplied by 25, or 25 multiplied by 60. The result will be 1500. Then next is 30 multiplied by 65, and the answer will be 1950. Then next is 10 multiplied by 70, that will be 700. Now in the last we will get summation fx, means sum of what? Sum of these fx. So summation fx will be equal to 6000, and after putting all these values in the formula we will get the answer. And one more thing, that we have to calculate summation f here. Summation f we will get after summing up all these values, that is 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 30 plus 10, and its value will be 100. So what was the formula? We have just seen that the formula is x bar is equal to summation fx upon summation f. So it is also, it can be summation f or n, both are the same thing. So the next thing is we will put these values in the formula. Summation fx is equal to 6000, so we will write 6000 here divided by summation f, that is 100. Then we will cancel out these two zeros with this, and our final answer will be 60. So this is the value of arithmetic mean in discrete series by using direct method. Now we will see the same question. We will try to solve the same question by another method, that is shortcut method, and you will be amazed to see that means different methods will get by using different methods you will get the same answer. So if we will use shortcut method in the same question, earlier we have used direct method, next we will use shortcut method or assumed mean method. Both the methods will give the same answer. So let's see its formula. What is the formula of shortcut method in discrete series? The formula is x bar is equal to a plus summation fd upon n. You have seen this formula while calculating in individual series also, when we were calculating arithmetic mean in individual series. There also we had the same formula, and if you can remember this, all the meaning is same, that a means assumed mean and d is deviation from assumed mean. Let's rewrite here. A means assumed mean, then next is d, which is deviation from assumed mean, and fd is means this frequency multiplied by the corresponding deviation. N is nothing but summation f, means sum of all the frequencies. So now we will use this formula for calculating arithmetic mean. For that, first we will take a value of x as assumed mean. Let's see, it's 60. So we are considering 60 as a or assumed mean. Then we will find out d, the value of d, which is nothing but x minus a. So x minus a, we will try to calculate this. 50 minus 60, 60 is the value of a, x is 50 here, so 50 minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Then 55 minus 60 is equal to minus 5. Then 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. Then 65 minus 60 is equal to 5. 70 minus 60 is equal to 10 plus 10. Now what we will do next, we will multiply f with d. Value of f is 15 here and value of d is minus 10. So we will multiply it, these two values, 15 multiplied by minus 10. 15 multiplied by minus 10 is equal to minus 150. Similar to that, the values are, next value will be 20 multiplied by minus 5, that means minus 100. Next is 25 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Then next is 30 multiplied by 5 is equal to plus 150. We can skip plus sign here because you all know that whether we write plus sign or not, both are, means it does not have any effect. Both are the same thing. We can ignore plus sign, but we have in our mind that it is a positive value. Then next is 10. Value of frequency is 10 and d is also 10. So 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Now if we will sum all these value of fd, means all these values, we will get 0. So here summation fd is equal to 0. So now we will put all these values of a, summation fd and summation f in the formula, and we will say, and we will see what we get the answer. So this is our formula, and we will put the value of a here, that is 60, plus summation fd was 0 and n or summation f is 100. So if we divide 0 by any number, we get the value as 0. So 60 plus 0 is equal to 60. So this is our final answer, and this 60 was also the answer which we have got from the previous method, that is direct method, and here in shortcut method we are again getting the value as 60 for arithmetic mean. So both the methods are giving us the same result. Now we will see the next method, that is step deviation method in the same question, and we will again find it out that step deviation method is will also be giving us the same answer of arithmetic mean. The formula for step deviation method So the formula for step deviation method is x bar is equal to a plus summation f d dash upon summation f into c. Summation f is equal to n, both are the same thing. Okay, so a is assumed mean, f d dash means multiplication of f with d dash, f multiplied by d dash. Then what is this d dash? D dash is nothing but d upon c. C means common factor, and here this d, you can write it here as, here d is deviation from assumed mean. So this is the whole thing about the formula, and now we will put this formula in this question and we'll try to find out the value of arithmetic mean. So here let's take 60 as our assumed mean. So A is 60 and we will try to find out D. So like we have done in the previous method, D is nothing but x minus A. So 50 minus 60 is equal to minus 10. Then 55 minus 60 is equal to minus 5. Then 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. 65 minus 60 is equal to 5. 70 minus 60 is equal to 10. Then we will find out D dash. D dash is nothing but D upon C. So here in all these five values, we can see, we can understand that 5 will be the common factor. Why? Because minus 5, minus 10, 5 and 10, all these values can be easily divided by 5. So it is easy to take 5 as the common factor. So we will divide all these values of D by 5. So now minus 10 divided by 5 is equal to minus 2. Then minus 5 divided by 5 is equal to minus 1. Then 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0, because whenever we divide 0 by any value, any number, we get the value as 0. Then 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Then we will multiply this D dash with F. Then we will get the value of FD dash. So it means 15 is, here we can understand that 15 is the value of F. So 15 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 30. Then 20 multiplied by minus 1 is equal to minus 20. Then 25 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, because whenever we multiply any number by 0, we get the value as 0. Then 30 multiplied by 1 is equal to 30. And 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. And now when we will add all these values, we will get the value as 0. So summation FD dash is equal to 0. So now we will put the value of this A and this FD dash and this summation F and the value of common factor. Here we have taken common factor as 5. Therefore we have divided all the values by 5. So we will take all these values, that is C is equal to 5, A is equal to 60, FD dash is equal to 0 and summation F is equal to 100. All these values we will use in our formula and we'll try to find the answer. So the formula is x bar is equal to A plus summation FD dash upon summation F into C. A is 60 plus summation FD dash is equal to 0 upon summation F is equal to 100 multiplied by common factor, that is 5. And we know that whenever we will divide any number by 0 by any number, we will get the value as 0 multiplied by 5. 0 multiplied by 5 is equal to 0. So 60 plus 0 is equal to 60. Again, by step deviation method we have got the same answer, that is 60. So in direct method we got 60 as our arithmetic mean. In shortcut method or assumed mean method we have got 60 as the value for arithmetic mean. In step deviation also we are getting the same value 60 as our arithmetic mean. So we can conclude that all the methods, direct method, shortcut method and step deviation method, give the same value of arithmetic mean when applied on the same question. So all the three methods give the same answer when applied on the same question. So this was the arithmetic mean in discrete series.